So you say you wanna also collab with Rui? Okay.
What if you like coincidentally get first, you know?
Now that
Never
will
know.
absolutely not happen, Ina. Let's stay realistic here.
I wonder if there's like a series like that where everyone's like a protagonist. Oh, are you okay? Kiara, don't die! Don't die, Kiara! We need you! Uh-oh. We lost her. It's my stream now. Hello, chat. Kiara will be back. She'll be okay. Oh, she's moving again. Is she alive? Where's my keyboard? Are you okay? Are you okay?
I'm crying. There's tears coming from us.
I'm crying. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Breathe. In, out. In, out. Oh. Calm. In, out. I feel like you have so many of these moments on stream.
Oh, this is a different one. This is a different one. The water that I drank, it went into the breathing place.
The breathing place.
This is a different situation.
Last time I was actually so worried when you got the, I think it was the leg cramp. I thought you were actually like dying. I was like, oh my god.
Yeah, I was dying indeed. You were right with that assumption. Wait, when I was running away from the PC, I threw the pen to the ground. I threw it to the ground.
Oh no.
I threw it to the ground.
Calm, inner peace. Breathe in.
Okay.
Breathe out.
Inya, you could help me with, if you're done before me, you could help me with base colors.
Okay.
Can you help me fill in some colors? And I need more water. Oh my god.
Hi. It's just you and me again. Kiara is changing in the back. Please don't look. Wait, I'm in KFP territory. I can look into your secret vaults for the secret recipe. It's cold, but it's colder than my heart.
What?
Oh, you're back.
Says don't tell her. What's happening?
What?
I'm asking for a secret recipe.
No?
Ina. Wow. Walkity.